Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and select Open. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Over here you need to click on I accept in the pop-up and then adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and the bottom one again. This time you need to click on Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper and pick one of those options, home screen or home screen and lock screen. I want to apply mine to home screen only, so I have to click on it and tap on Home button. As you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!